I'm Divine Messenger. Welcome and good night. Yes, feeling a lot much better. Yeah, I've been out of bed, trying to get better fully. You know, I appreciate you guys' love and support. And I'll appreciate also if you guys would subscribe, share and comment to my video and like as well, so others can get the message. So Spirit, what's going on tonight with my collective? What's going on with my collective tonight, Spirit? Anything my collective should know? I see this card twice. You guys are beautiful, sweet, nice, caring, you know, very charismatic. But you guys want to take a leap of faith. What are you guys want to take a leap of faith in? Yeah. What is my collective taking a leap of faith in? I'm talking to a male, a divine masculine. Okay, so a divine masculine wanna take a leap of faith towards his high priestess. But he already destroyed this relationship. But he wanna rebirth it. This death and rebirth. He wanna rebirth the situation that he ended or he destroyed with an high priestess. He wanna come in and be loving and caring and nice and sweet and charismatic and romantic toward this person. He wanna work on rebuilding and resurrecting this relationship. Because I believe he truly hurt an high priestess. You hurt a high priestess. It's bad karma that comes with that. Yeah, when someone hurts a divine being, spiritual being, a mystical being, there's bad karma for that. But these people are like earth angels, and you guys hurt these people. So this person wanna make amends. They wanna make amends with the high priestess. I think that's you, collective, or vice versa. It could be your person. But a divine masculine wanna do that. Yep, an emperor wanna rebirth something that they already killed, ended, damaged. It's gonna be a lot of work, divine masculine. This person was closed off to the connection, was blind, and I heard this spirit saying this person wasn't gonna see the connection until it had ended. They wasn't gonna see the connection for what it was until they destroyed it and ended it. Yeah, and they did. They did. They used someone from their past to destroy this relationship, or someone from the past you know, came in and destroyed this relationship. This person was still attached to this person, didn't want to let go and moved on. So this person from their past, their ex, helped ruin the relationship between them and the high priestess. And this person wanna put an end to this. This person keep when they lie down at night, They think of this. They know they did the earth angel wrong. They know they did. Yep. You guys are total match. You guys are know to get around. You guys are smooth talker. You guys are people madnik. Yes. And you guys know who you are. And you guys, your divine masculine know who you are. Yep. Total match. You guys are both hard worker. You guys have similar careers. If not, you guys think alike. But only one thing, you're very intuitive. You're spiritual, you're mystical. You see everything that this person is doing or done. And this person had hurt you guys and damage and destroy this, divine connection with a karmic, someone from their past. Yep, either they went back to get victory with this person or now they want to get victory with you. Let's see. This person want to get victory with. But I'm pretty sure it's you guys. Yeah. Yep, because of their indecisiveness and their back and forth, that's what caused the tower and the ending. That's what caused the tower and the ending, sorry, to the relationship. Okay, this person, addictions as well. But yeah, they want to have victory with you. But they was foolish to allow this past person to come in and ruin what you guys had. Because of their egos. I think it's this part 2 for the previous read. They want to be successful because they see you guys as their sunshine. You make me happy. Yeah, this person is enlightened. They're enlightened now. They have to damage and they're also broken hearted. Even though they break you guys' heart, this personal heart is broken as well. Because if you guys are divine counterpart, when they hurt you, they hurt themselves. And not if. You guys are divine counterpart and this person has hurt you, using some karmic from their past to ruin the relationship that you guys had, and they hurt you, they damage the relationship that you guys had. They are heartbroken as well. Yep. Because you guys are not there for them anymore like you used to. You guys don't even want to be around this person. You guys don't even care what this person does. Yep. But that's when people are too egotistic. I don't know the word what you guys use, but this person is like flighty. And just make decisions without even think, and then afterwards they have to deal with the consequences. They don't think first, they do. Then it's like the police. They shoot first and then ask question after. When they're dead. Yeah, this person was being very selfish and self-centered and all about their money and themselves. And they ruin this connection. Because this connection made them happy. It's total fulfillment. Yep. Anything else, Spirit? What else? Yes, because of this person indecisiveness and because this person was in the devilish energy and they with the indecisive of multiple partners and addictions and all kind of crap. Because a lot of chaos. Yep. This person was all up in the head. And they got you all up in the head too. They want to turn their back. They think having sex with you would heal it, the relationship. And also they want to manifest you guys back in their life. Yeah, I know it's a divine masculine. And they want to heal. They want to know, they want to work on the relationship when they destroy it. I don't get that. Does that make sense? Why, after you ruined it, destroyed it, no, I see you are, you want to fix it? But Spirit said it was destined to happen this way. And that's how this person gonna see who they are. That's how this person gonna get out of their ego. That's how this person, this is what gonna transform this person. Because they're gonna try to find you in so everybody else, and they're not gonna do that because it's only one you. Yep. Everybody is gonna come with some qualities, and then they're still gonna be missing something. And that something is you. I'm like, why are you gonna go out there and find me another person when you already got me and you ruined it? This person is retarded. I feel sorry for this person. Because they was being selfish and holding back. This person wasn't giving to the relationship financially, emotionally. The only time they give it financially is when it's benefiting them. Yep. This person was sneaky, deceptive, always gonna get away with stuff. But that's their karma. Losing you. You know, destroying this relationship. That's their karma. Using a karmic to destroy the relationship I should have let go of. They are exes for a reason. They should stay that way. And this person is in regret now. Because you're no longer feeding into their BS. Their bullshit. You're no longer being a part of their circle of madness, their circle of chaos, drama, heartache, and stress. This person is wickedly selfish. Nothing beat this. You guys are empresses. You guys are the same person. High Priestess and Empress. You guys are the same person. Yep. Where are you gonna find someone like this? That is an Empress and the High Priestess. Where? I'm just wondering. I'm asking Divine Masculine. Where are you gonna find someone like this? Again. Yep. You can always find this. You can always find this. But when this person composed of all three, where are you gonna find this? Where? This person is a Queen of One, Empress, and the High Priestess in one. Where are you, Mr. Masculine? The Divine Masculine is gonna find this again. Where? Tell me. You might find this. Probably find this. But not this. And you guys just ruined it. Let someone from your past come in and ruin it. That's your karma. Yeah, you're in regret. Oh, boo-hoo. Okay, I think that's the reason I was talking about lowering your standard in a previous read. Lowering your standard, you're coming down off your throne to accommodate this person. You got hurt, but this person was not your standard, collective, and you was took down off your throne to accommodate them, and this person still hurt you. Yeah, this person you wasn't in that person league. Person Shall not come to your league unless they do the work, heal themselves, and vibrate higher. And this person might think having a lot of assets make they vibrate higher. No. If you open your ego, no. If you prefer help your friend, help other people, and help the person you claims you love, I wanna be with. You're stupid. Divine Masculine. And then you hurting this person. 3 in 1. This reminds me of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. 3 in 1. And you hurt this person with all 3. And you think you're gonna live happily ever after? That's gonna be your judgment. That's gonna be a bad karma. You're never gonna find no one like this person again. Unless you do the work, you heal. And let go of people who boosts your ego. Because everybody else who comes after this high priestess / empress / queen of wands is gonna stab you in the back. Yep, and then you're gonna be closed off with your emotion. You're gonna keep your emotions to yourself, and you're not gonna show. You're gonna be paranoid. You're not gonna know who to show your love to. You're not. Yep. It's gonna be there. Should I give this person my love? No. No, I can't. I know. And this person will hurt me because the last person did. And the last person did. And the last person did. Oh, I'm scared of giving this person. Yeah. Because of what you did to this person. 3 in 1. But eventually it's gonna reveal to Divine Masculine what's gonna happen. That they're in their devilish energy and they need to change. You need to change and put this down. And change their ways, their ego. Drop the ego. Let go of people who boosts their ego. People who boost their ego are low self-esteem people. That's when they're gonna get the change. And that's when Wheel of Fortune gonna be on their side. Until then, Divine Masculine gonna be paranoid about who to give his love to. And he's gonna always get stabbed in the back, or he's gonna always stab people in their back because he don't know who to trust, who to be with. Because you're the one person who is 3 in 1. Where are you gonna find this? I'm just so curious. Like, where are you gonna find this again, Divine Masculine? Where? So crazy. Anything else? No matter how hard you work or trying to hide yourself behind work, when you do lie down at night, where that card at? Let me just try to find that card here. Whenever you try to sleep at night or lie down at night, this always gonna haunt you. Whatever you working or no more how hard you work and try to forget what you have done to the high priestess / empress / queen of one, right? When you lie down at night, try to sleep, you even get dreams of what you did to this person, you're gonna regret it. Yeah, it's gonna haunt you. Always gonna haunt you. Because you're being selfish. You're being selfish to the wrong person. You're open to all those karmic people, but you selfish to the wrong person. And you're always gonna get stabbed in your back, Divine Masculine. Or you're always gonna stab someone in their back and add more karma to whatever you have already over the years incurred. Nothing else, Spirit? Yes, you're doing a good thing because of karmic options. Because you open your ego, you have sex addictions. Because you have wandering eyes. Because you can't be with one person, you're insecure. Low self-esteem, low vibing. You have negative thought and thinking and ways. Devilish ways and behaviors. Yep. You're gonna always be one man against the world because of what you did. what you did to your divine feminine. And this divine feminine is rare, because this divine feminine is 3 in 1. Yep. This divine feminine 3 in 1. Spirit say this divine feminine can calm any beast. It's the truth. Yeah, you've been given the right one, and you destroy it when you should have balanced this out. Yeah, you'll be given the right one. It's the truth, man. No, you wanna come put the burden down, try to make it work, try to resurrect this, and then you're gonna come put the work in and watch it. Spirit said that's your karma for ignoring that special divine feminine high priestess offer. You should have taken it when you had a chance. You know, I was watching this thing on TikTok, and this guy was saying one of the trickiest thing or the worst thing that the universe could do to you is give you the right person at the wrong time. And that's what happened. You didn't know to appreciate a person. That person had also transformed your life. Yep, is what it is. You should have taken the offer when you get it. Too good to be true. You're not no way good to be true. Insecure and in denial. That's what you are. And that's why you miss out on the best thing ever happened to you. Yep. Anything else for it? I'm just gonna pick one. Or advice. Spirit say heal your inner childhood wound. Heal your inner child wound. First, work on yourself. Whoever hurt you, karmics, parents, not being there, heal that. Forgive them. Move on. That you keep on holding on to that grudge, you're gonna keep on blocking out the right people. And then you just blocked out the right one. The one. You just did. Because you didn't heal from a previous relationship that you invested all your time and years and effort into. Kept holding on to. You didn't heal. How dare you think you can come and hurt someone else that has been nothing but good to you and love you? Heal yourself, Divine Masculine. If you don't, you're gonna repeat the cycle until the next lifetime. You're gonna continue to incur more karma, bad karma to yourself until next lifetime. No matter if you get money or if you're rich or wealthy or not, you're still gonna be miserable. You're still gonna be missing something or someone. And that someone is that divine feminine, a special divine feminine that capable of, that is all these three together. That is all these three together, 3 in 1 together, and also capable of calming a beast. One with nature. Mother Earth. For a person's a caring person. And I'm keep hearing another Mother Teresa. Yes. This person is everything. This person stooped down to let you in, and you turn your back. You should have taken the offer. So until next time, peace be with you, and I appreciate if you guys could subscribe, share, and comment and like. so other can, you know, get the message as well. Until next time, you guys take care.